Well, hail, you cool cats and kittens. It's me, the Hairy Dabber, and I won't lie. I'm always high. We got a couple packages for you guys. Got a big one and a little one. So let's glove up. Let's glove up, and let's get right into this, guys. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope the quarantine isn't causing anybody to go too crazy. Let's start with this little one here. It says, to the Hairy Dabber from Peep Weeb. Dump out first. So let's see what we got here. Oh, looks like a glitter bomb. Looks like some sort of glitter bomb. Whoa. A bunch of glitter and a cricket sucker. I think that's what this is. Cricket sucker, orange. That thing's pretty intense. And then a whole bunch of glitter. Nice, nice. Let's, we'll have to make a video where I try this. Try that guy out. Thank you guys so much. Thanks, Peep Weeb. Thanks for the sucker. Next, we've got this giant box, from Farmington, Michigan. Sounds like it could be really anything. A shirt, maybe some spatulas. I really have no idea. Oh, a bunch of stuff. First, right off the bat, Necco wafers. A whole bag of Necco wafers. How did you guys know that these are my mom's favorite? My mom is gonna love these. Thank you so much for the Necco wafers. Oh, a whole thing of Necco wafers. My mom has been searching for Necco wafers, so you don't even know. This sweet butterfly thing. I don't even know, just a hanger-upper thingy. Some sort of art. We'll have to hang that up here in the shop. Next, we've got a small little box. We'll wait and open the small box later. Some Japanese candy. We'll have to, or maybe a different country, maybe Korean or something. Candy there. A little bag. We'll have to open this here next later as well. Some little trinkets. We'll open that neck in a little bit. A Jaquardo products, some sort of syringe. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. Maybe doing like henna or something. I don't know. And then we've got this bag. We'll open that next as well. And then we've got a little tiny iPod. That's pretty awesome. And a little stand, like a little charging dock for it. Thank you so much for the iPod. Let's see what we've got in these little boxes. Let's start with this clear one. I can kind of see already there's some, whoa, throwing the lid everywhere. So we've got 4 boxes. Each one has something different. This one has a little rubber chicken that looks like it might glow in the dark. And I'm not sure what these are. Ear hook sleeve retainer. Maybe to like hold your glasses on a little bit better. Those are pretty sweet. Next we've got a little person, a little bear thing, little teddy bear guy, and a jasmine keyring. Jasmine the flower keyring. Nice little box. Next we've got a little frog horny toad. I don't think he does anything. And then in our last little box, we've got some sort of packaging. I think these are condoms. Yeah, you know, never have too many condoms. Alright, let's see what's in some of these other little boxes. Let's go with this bigger one right here. Let's see what this is. It's jingling. Whoa! This is like some socks. Ked socks. I don't know what that means, but some socks. And then wrist restraints. For some reason, you guys like to send me these wrist restraints. This is a whole kit. So there's 2 wrist restraints and 2 more wrist restraints. So you guys sent me wrist and leg restraints. I already have a set, but, you know, could never use too many. And then we've got this little bag. This has a large bracelet, I think this is. It smells kind of funky. Not in a bad way, just interesting. It says large. If you guys are interested in bracelets, make sure to check them out. Actually, I don't remember who sent this. It doesn't have a name. Yeah, this is from Farmington, Michigan. No name. And then last but not least, we've got this little tiny cute little box. Oh. This is an intense pin. Is this a hat pin? So sick. So sick. So dope. That is sick. Big ass like octopus or something. Kind of hard to see there. But yeah, check that out. But yeah, thank you so much whoever sent this huge, lovely box. Their Necco wafers are going to be much loved. I just remembered there's a little note in here. It says, "Dear stranger on the internet, here are some random things from around my home. I am disappearing now. Sincerely." Interesting little letter. Along with 1 yun, however much that's worth. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for checking out the boxes. One big shout out to the Hammies. Dab with G for the Q-tip box. Just started using that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay medicated, stay positive, and stay delicious.